Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today in this video, I'm going to show on how to send one-time view pictures on Messenger. So let's get started. First, open your Messenger app on your mobile device. Then, choose a person that you want to send. At the bottom, tap the photo icon. Then, choose a photo. After that, tap Edit. At the bottom, you will see the number 1 icon. Then tap it to make it view once. After that, tap the send button. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.